Welcome to our portable LCD display demo case solution. Designed specifically for sales presentations, customer demonstrations, and trade shows. This all-in-one flight case allows you to carry multiple display products conveniently and professionally. The case is built with a durable aluminum structure, heavy-duty wheels, and a retractable handle, making transportation easy wherever you go. By simply unlocking the latches and laying the case flat, the entire demonstration system becomes accessible within seconds. Inside the upper compartment, there are three 23.1-inch stretched LCD displays, while the lower compartment contains an 18.5-inch touch display. Everything is neatly organized and protected inside the flight case. All power and control components are integrated into the system for easy operation. On the left side, you can find a standard power cable. Above it are the cooling fan and remote control receiver. In the center is the main rocker power switch, along with the AC power input for the system. On the right side is the DSC output connector used to power the 23.1-inch stretched displays. Nearby, you can also find the external USB interface for the 18.5-inch display, allowing users to easily transfer images, videos, or other media content using a USB drive. Each 23.1-inch stretched display is mounted using a VESA bracket system. To remove a display, simply lift it upward slightly and pull it outward. For installation, align the mounting holes carefully and ensure that the display is securely fixed in position before use. Connect the DC power cable to three pieces 23.1-inch display. Take out the main power cord, connect it to the AC power source, and to switch on the main rocker. Within seconds, the entire demonstration system is powered on and ready for operation. Here you can see three 23.1-inch displays operating simultaneously. The first display uses a high color gamut panel, while the second and third displays use the standard color gamut panels. Using the remote control, you can quickly switch between different display layouts. Simply point the remote toward the center receiver and press buttons 1, 2, or 3 to activate different split screen modes. Content updating is simple and efficient. Open the CMS mobile application, enter the program management page, create a new playlist, and select images or videos from your mobile device. After completing the settings, press the Send button. The content is transmitted wirelessly and synchronized to the displays within seconds, allowing fast and convenient content management. The integrated 18.5-inch touch display supports smooth touch operation and built-in audio. Users can directly adjust the volume on their screen, exit applications, browse content, and experience responsive touch interaction. The clear audio and touch functionality make the system ideal for interactive product demonstrations. After the demonstration is completed, let's switch off the power and disconnect all cables. Carefully return each cable to its original position. And ensure that no wires are trapped when closing the case. Special attention should be paid to protecting the displays and preventing cables from being pinched during packing. Close the flight case securely and lock the latches. Finally, extend the telescopic handle, tilt the case slightly, and roll it away with ease. This portable LCD display demo case combines mobility, convenience, and professional presentation in one compact solution. Whether for customer visits, exhibitions, retail demonstrations, or product presentations,